In this video, I'm going to show you how you will submit your completion records for your state-approved training in the Maine Roads to Quality Registry. So what we're looking at here is our test site, so there's some font and color differences, but everything else will look the same when you're doing this on our live registry site. So we're logged in as a sample provider. When you go up here to your My Training option, the drop down will have a My State Approved Training. Click on that. Most providers are just going to see this top part. There's some information about state approved training and then also any completion records that they have. So if they've taken a state approved training, that will populate in this list. As an organizational lead for a state approved training, you will have this table down here with any curriculums that have been approved. So we'll click on this one as an example. This will have all of the information that you submitted in the application to be approved. So it has the hours of the training, your sponsoring organization's name, the description you provided, and then this is your name. It will also have the CDA and CKA breakdown, which you provided on the application. Everything in these first three tabs is not editable because it's based on the application that you provided and was approved. If you need to edit anything there, you would reach out to our training team. When you click on the final tab, Completions, this is where you will have the ability to add people's completion records. So you can see down here, one person has completed this so far, so they're listed. And the thing that you can do is edit their completion date right here if you need to. To add a new batch of completion records, you would first download the completion template by clicking this. It's going to look something like this. And it is going to auto-populate in the first row an SAT ID. This is for our system to know which training these completion records should be applied to. So you'll fill out all of this information and then just make sure that this number, whatever it is pulled down and is represented in all of the rows you have people in. So I've done that here, just put a couple people in, their email address, their registry ID, their completion date, and made sure that that number is represented in both rows. So when I'm ready with my document, I will click Upload, choose the file, and then click Upload here. And you can see those two people that I had listed on my spreadsheet are now listed here. If you're wondering how members find their member ID in order to provide it to you for their completion records, it's right here, my contact information, and right at the top, your member ID. So if you need to support folks with finding where their member ID is, you can find it there.